Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is February the 9th, 2021. We're going to give you all an update price prediction for XRP. We're going to see if the market's going to continue to follow our ascending line that we got drawn in our chart. But before I go into that, if this is your first time watching our video, you guys can see how simple our chart is, and you all appreciate how we're giving you all a heads up as to where price is going to go. Make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. We have a second channel as well. If you guys want to see our stock price predictions, head on over to our second channel. The link is in the description of this video, so you all can participate on our second channel in looking at where price is anticipated to go. Here we are. We are about 3 days into our price prediction for XRP, which was done on February the 6th, 2021. You all can see that we expected the price to continue the increase, and we explained why on that particular video as to why we were looking for the market to continue to see higher price. And for the most part, XRP has went higher within our TP or profit area. You guys can see we got it listed on the price chart of what we expected the market in XRP to do. Okay, and look, we came shy today, hitting that ultimate TP price of about 50 cents. Right, so that's close enough to say that the forecast pretty much panned out the way that we expected it on the 6th of February. I will take that because we always mention that the trap does not hit price precisely on even numbers or round numbers. It always falls short or maybe inch just a little bit higher above those price levels, just to ensure that he's able to trap as many people as possible. So 11.25%. Let's see what it would have been. Bring this down just a tad real quick. So it's about 9.88% right there achieved today in the market for XRP. Now let's go ahead and get rid of it. It is done. It is over. And another thing before I get rid of this, I wanted to show you that the market has displayed to us right here on the 7th of February that it wanted to obey this ascending line. So generally, this market in XRP is still in a uptrend, okay? And it confirmed that on February the 7th. So we need to stick with that same type of mindset until we see the trap break this ascending line, okay? So let's get rid of this. And on that video from February the 6th, we told you all that that area of 50 cents was restriction. And I wanted to show you this real quick, that the market in XRP is creating a triangle, what many people would term an ascending triangle. Okay, right there. So automatically each and every one of us needs to pay attention to what is going on in the market right here. This is the crucial zone of which we need to pay attention to see whether or not we're going to get more strength or more weakness. We have to see that. If we do not see any strength come in the market in XRP around this area, then we understand that the probability of the trap breaking this ascending line is greater. If we see more weakness right up here towards 50 cents, then we know the ascending line is in jeopardy of being broken. If we see more strength, then we understand that 50 cents is in jeopardy of being broken to the upside. Okay, so let's take a look real quick on the 3-day time frame to see if anything changed. And as you all can see, we're going through some lack of demand right now on the current 3-day price bar. Now we are still 2 days and 13 hours into this current 3-day price bar, so we cannot be too reliant upon it right now. But generally, from what we're seeing right now, it definitely lets us know that this 50 cent area in the market for XRP is still vital. Okay, even back here on this 3-day price bar from November the 20th, the market still found that area at restriction, and we were able to break that the next following 3-day price bar. We need to see that occur again. Okay, so that is what we need to be on guard for into the market for XRP. Let's take a look at the market on the 2-day time frame. The market still looks pretty good, even though the market is showing us some lack of demand right now. The volume is light, which is why I'm not necessarily stating that there's a lot of selling going on around this 50 cent area. Okay, we don't really see that as of this particular moment. Got 12 hours and 44 minutes left on this current 2-day price bar. So now Here we are looking at the market right now in XRP on a 7-hour time frame. We can definitely see that the interest of higher price is waning just for the hourly time frame. It doesn't mean that the resumption of higher price will not occur from a daily basis. Looking here on a 3-hour chart, okay, our focus needs to be right here on a 3-hour time frame. I'm going to show this to you real quick. We need to see the market trap hold price above 44 cents, in or around 44 cents, in order for us to really see the probability of higher price. In order for us to see the trap come in and break that price above 50 cents, we need to see him come in and hold price around 44 cents, because if he doesn't, then we're going to come back down and test this ascending line just like we did on this particular 3-hour price bar. Okay. So currently we are seeing weakness into the market for XRP. So generally we need to continue to follow the same mind state as the trap. You can see it on the 1-hour time frame too. I'm not really too concerned with the weakness in XRP as of this particular moment, only because 44 cents, even 42, can still be maintained as support to allow us to see XRP go higher from a daily time frame. Okay. So what we're going to do on this particular forecast, we're going to continue to play some of the weakness into the market for XRP. Not a lot, just going to continue to play it. Let it go a little bit lower towards this ascending line that we got drawn in our chart. And as we see this weakness come through in XRP, if we still maintain and the trap confirms that he wants to hold price above this ascending line, then we realize that the market strength is still present. Okay, so we're simply just playing this particular forecast only to show the weakness that we're anticipating to come through into the market. Now I told you we need to TP the market around 44 cents. Okay, so that would be, you know, a meager 4%, right? It's not a lot, but we understand that that area needs to be maintained as support into the market for XRP. And we can see the price go higher from there. So we will TP the market in XRP on the 44 cent price level. I'm going to bring it down just a tad, back down towards around 42 cents, which is not a lot, but that is about the amount of weakness that I am anticipating to come to the market for XRP. You all might see a little bit more weakness, but with the light volume, with the lack of demand so far, I'm just really looking for the market to try to tag out around 44 cents to 42. And then from there, we'll come in and reevaluate the market in XRP at that time. But this is what we're seeing. And you might see something totally different, which is fine. And we want to give you all that opportunity to tell us what you all think about the market in XRP too. So leave us a comment in the comment section as to where you think the price is headed in 3 days. Okay, we need to make sure that we're in position to capitalize on the price movement. This is our forecast, our prediction. Now it's your turn. I mean, where do you think the trap is going to move this price? Let us know with a comment in the comment section. And as always, make sure you maintain that profitability. Now you know what to do. Trade different.